Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
We've got a 67 Camaro here. It's been body off the frame restored. It's not going to be 100 grand. It's not going to be 75. It's not even going to be 50. Go to volocars.com. You'll see the pricing, the specs, photos top to bottom on this car and a few hundred others. But I'll give you a clue. This car is priced in the 30s, and it's a body off frame restored Camaro. So go to volocars.com before someone beats you to it. But for right now, how about you go for a spin with me in this sharp looking Camaro. I mean, that's a bright red. This thing just pops. It's got the white stripes. It's got the cowl hood. It's got spoilers. It's got some chrome Ridler wheels with performance tires. And it's a really clean body. It's all clean metal. Doors, fenders, all really nice. I just wiped the whole car down, and I did find on the other side, actually, there are a few bubbles down here I did want to point out. Right along here, there's some bubbles along this bottom. It's a really clean car. Underneath the car is painted red. The floors are all real nice solid metal, and they were sprayed in that like that chip guard, and it's color matched red, and the whole chassis is done in black. Four-wheel disc brakes with drilled and slotted rotors, turbo 350 transmission, rebuilt suspension, and again, the rest of it's really sharp. No vinyl top. Which I prefer. Chrome is new. I wrote in my ad, it looks like everything is new because the trim, the rubber, the window seals, the handles, the mirrors, the windshield is not new. The bumpers, when you're underneath the car, all the components, practically look new. In here, it's got a new wiper motor, alternator, the brackets, the cadmium plated brake booster, the wiring, Excel ignition, headers. It's got a Edelbrock carb with electric choke, tubular control arms in front. So it's got a lot of new stuff. Inside the car, the upholstery, the carpet, the sill plates, the door panels, the dash pad, the headliner and visors, all in excellent shape. It's got the center console. It's got a mini tachometer and a gauge cluster mounted in there neatly, and it's got an aftermarket stereo too. Really clean trunk compartment with a nice coat of spatter finish paint. You can see all this is painted up real glossy, has new rubber. We just put the nice leather grip steering wheel in here. You might notice in some of our pictures the gas gauge is pegged past full. That is on our list of things to fix. And it's missing the cigarette lighter, which we have one in the shop. So you got power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, frame off restored. It's red, it's sharp. Got a nice sounding cam. That sound it's making is just right. So go to volocars.com. There's plenty of ways on there to contact us. We have a whole team of people, and their job is to help answer your questions, whether it's about the car, shipping, financing, however we can help, let us know. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. I really appreciate all of the followers we have that are watching these videos, and stay tuned because there's a lot more to come. Thank you.